Welcome to Pirates Fans TV and Petu Papas. It's today's near future. It's today's Chablis Papas. Namhlanje, beautiful performance by the team.
Thank you Jayam, thank you Parachuch. Ngisaphinda futhi ngithi. If ungibone Saturday, bengisitudla mara ngisitudla kangcono. Kungena ngi3 point, ngisitudla wes. Ngisazophinda futhi kusuwelele ku Black Label. Nginone wes. Ngenzwa yini amabhakane. Alright, asibuyele negamini mfethu. Ngithi inhliziyo yami yababhlungu babathi hayi nangu usaleng so. But manje I'm sorry to say that. Angisasifili ispace sakasaleni. Siphelele simnandi, siyashelela. Ladlule khona utshana bumili njenga last. Ngenxa kabani uzongitshela wena?
Incenga uMuremi.
Umkhaza ngoba ugelezile. Ngenxa kaMuremi. uMuremi usivalile ispace sakasaleni. Siyasuka manje. Lento bengisho ukuthi yithi i-team elose less point ku Betway. Ku Betway and Makali League. We are the worst bad team ngokuluza 2 games iqala. Ngabatshela ngathi si lose le 2 games ngoba sifuna ukuthatha 10 million iqala. Siphethe 10 million siyayidla yashelela. Yayibona kumanje sina 7 games. Sina how many points? Mtsheleni mapakane.
How many points now? 15.
I think it's not 12 if I'm not mistaken. No, 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, not 15. 15 with 7 games. We lost 2 games. That's all. It's Sundowns, iphezulu kwamanje but it's sharing a game. If we win lama game lawa in hands now, so number 1. Start after that, start to Black Label. Like njengoba ngisho ngithi this season starta yonke into ashiye next. Siyekile istart last season ngokuvaya kwe coach, but this time we've learned our mistake. Siyaqhubeka siyaphambili and naye ngito ngiphathe blind ukungena kwa Mabasa phakani yasekele lento esiyenzayo. Mabasa is the best striker. Best of them all striker. But once ayenza mistake nyane encane siyambuka senzani. Asiyekele lento leyo. Asikhuthazele ama player wethu. Akumelanga senze ngathi manje sifave Chiefs or Sundowns or King. Ama player wethu lawa asiwakhuthazeni. Ngivalile last manje angivali but ngisasho ngithi bafethu. Asiqhubeke nesithatha ama 3 points. Asiqhubeke nesithatha istar.
Pakanya, nale cafe yethu. Kumele umtshele lo Pakanya.
Mamela Pakachuchu. Ikef, lo bekakhuluma last. Ikef le eyethu. Tanko.
Popa Pakanya.
Asiwani popa.
Popa.